Hi, I'm Jay Lewitt, Board President of the Las Virgenes Municipal Water District and Chair of the JPA. Just like you, I'm home social distancing. And I want to take this opportunity as your water and wastewater provider to reassure you that your tap water is completely safe to drink and your wastewater plant is operating at full strength. As you're all aware, our community and the entire world is facing a historic challenge to slow the spread of coronavirus COVID-19 and flatten the curve to avoid overwhelming the capacity of our healthcare system. As cases of the COVID-19 began to appear in California, our governor, Gavin Newsom, declared a state of emergency on March 4th. Shortly thereafter, on March 13th, our president of the United States declared a national emergency. As of last Friday, March 20th, the County of Los Angeles and the entire state of California are under a stay-at-home order, meaning residents are to remain in their homes with the exception of essential travel, such as doctor appointments and grocery shopping. The Las Virgenes Municipal Water District has monitored the situation closely, beginning with the spread of COVID-19 beyond the borders of Wuhan, China, and across Europe. As the situation has quickly escalated, and after closely monitoring the latest developments, your LVMWD board yesterday declared to take decisive action with an emergency declaration to do the following three things. One, help our customers during this difficult time. Two, minimize the exposure of our employees to COVID-19. And three, ensure that we maintain the continuity of our water and wastewater services. We've taken a series of emergency actions to respond to this unprecedented, ever-changing dynamic situation. Here is a summary. LVMWD customers will not encounter service shutoffs, late fees, or door tags during this pandemic. Your board recognizes the hardship that the coronavirus is having on families, and we will not deny an essential service during this critical time. Water is absolutely paramount to public health, and you can rest assured it will be available to you in your home no matter what. All of our customer service is now being provided by phone or online. Beginning on March 16th, our district offices were closed to the public until further notice. However, we are just a phone call away to help you. Finally, the district has implemented alternative working arrangements to protect its employees from exposure to COVID-19 and to ensure that they maintain continuous water and wastewater services to your home. I'd also like to take this time to assure you of this. Your water is completely safe to drink and it will flow no matter what. LVMWD has contingencies in place, including mutual aid agreements that allow for the sharing of resources in the event of extreme circumstances. During this time of uncertainty, LVMWD has you covered. Customer service representatives are still available via phone to answer any questions you may have. Select staff remains on hand in limited numbers to guarantee the continued delivery of your water. Emergency on-call response is still available. I'd also like to emphasize something that we may not think too much about when we flush our toilets. It is important to maintain a safe and clean environment where, now more than ever, disinfection is critical to minimize the spread of or exposure to coronavirus. However, we cannot flush disinfectant wipes down our toilet because they will clog our sewer pipes and possibly create another public health issue with sanitary sewer overflows. We ask that you please discard them in the trash can instead of flushing. Our community is no stranger to adversity, and we have shown time and time again the strength of our unity and resolve in the face of difficulty. Now we must unite in a different way. I encourage you all to adhere to the CDC's recommendation to bend the curve, remaining at home as much as possible, frequently washing your hands, and maintain a social distance of at least 6 feet when out in public. Finally, I want to send my thoughts out to everyone who's been directly affected by COVID-19 infection. We're all rooting for your full and speedy recovery. LVMWD remains as connected as ever with our community during this time, and we will be here for our customers through it all. Thank you.